Hello everyone, today I am unboxing the BTS ARMY merch box number 5, and I ordered this particular box in September 2nd, 2021, and it's only just arrived June 23rd, 2022. So it took quite a few months for this particular box to arrive, and I'm very excited about it. It's one of my most interesting merch boxes, I think. And so let's go ahead and take a look. This particular merch box comes with a little luggage container that I'm very excited to hopefully be able to use. I've already torn something on today's unboxing of some other items, so I'm going to try to be extra careful. So in the box, there's 2 items. First one is the actual luggage, which I can open first. So, got the scissor here. Figure out the best way to open this without ripping, tearing, or scratching anything. Looks like it's just lightly glued, so I don't need a scissor. I can just tear it apart. Very nice. It comes with a handle here. Easy to take out. Like the luggage itself is shrink wrapped so that it won't be scratched. I'm just gonna leave that on for now. So, opening it, the handle, it says BTS on it, and one side says ARMY. It's a nice plastic. There's a handle here, and the other side says BTS. So, and here's the little logo. So let's go ahead and unzip this. There's a little rubber keeping these 2 together. Carefully remove that. And unzip. It doesn't look like there was any damage on the way here. It's hard to tell where the top and the bottom is because it says BTS this way, but the handle is BTS this way. So since this is the logo, I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, unzipping the luggage. Looks like inside has airplanes as a design that say ARMY. And this top portion has a little zipper for you to put loose items. And very nice. I'm not sure where I will use this, but I'm excited to. I think this will probably fit right under your airplane seats as a carry-on. But it is a nice flexible plastic, and again, you can tear off this plastic that's protecting it. I'm not going to do that right now. So I really like how there's so many different handles for you to be able to pick the suitcase up. It's a good size to hold a few things that you need. It's probably about the size of a small backpack. So let's look at what else we have. So the next item is this. And take a look at what's in here. It's been so long, I actually don't even remember what is in this merch box. This looks like a bag. the laundry one. Oh, looks like there's two of them. Designs are slightly different. And you can put some spare belongings here, and this ties up just like that with a pull. And same with the other one. Put some loose items in here and pull it to close. And either pack that with your suitcase or wherever you'd like to go. It says ARMY on here. And this one says BTS, in case you didn't notice that design. So this, I'm not sure what this is. Going with a travel theme. Another case, perhaps? Oh, this looks like a passport holder. Very nice. So you put your ID card in here. It's very cute. And this looks like a luggage tag. Instead of ripping this, I'm going to use a scissor. It is a plastic luggage tag. That's very nice too. Just tie that to your luggage. And these feel like magnets. Very nice. Looks like those can go in the fridge. And these look like stickers. Yes, stickers. All travel themed. Let me just move these up a little bit more so you can see them all together. And here are the photo cards. Back says their name and logo. Very nice. So my favorite thing is probably going to be this luggage case for all of the merch boxes I've received, but I'm still waiting for a few others. But I'm very pleased with the way this turned out and the quality of this luggage bag. So thank you so much for joining my unboxing for the BTS merch box number 5. Thank you, and hope to see you soon.